repair. Hi, I'm Zeke, and this is my stuffy snout. We're on a top secret mission to decorate the neighborhood with things our friends love. But first, we have to fill holes in the road so I can ride across. Tap here to get started. Who should we decorate for first? Sadie, Malik, Jinjin, or Ellie? Tap to choose. My sister Sadie. Here are some of her favorite things. Soccer balls, piñatas, pictures. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Piñatas. Okay, Snout, we need to get across the road. Oh no! There's a hole in the road and we can't get across. Snout says we can fill the hole with shapes. Then we can get across. Let's try it. Tap the play button when the hole is filled. Hooray! You worked it out! Sadie loves piñatas. Now there are 2 holes to fill. Let's fill one hole at a time. How about this one first? You got it! Can you fill another one? Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Tap the arrow button to try the next level. Or press this button to play this level again, a different way. Wow, this is a big problem. We have 3 holes to fill. Remember, let's take it one hole at a time. You can take out shapes you don't need. Woohoo! You solved a really big problem. Uh-oh, a shape is in our way. You can move shapes from one hole to another hole. Now you try. Yes, we made it all the way across the road. The neighborhood looks so nice, and Sadie is so happy. Who should we decorate for next? My brother Malik. Here are some of his favorite things. Trumpets, balloons, rubber ducks. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Balloons. Let's use triangles to fill these holes. Which triangle would fit in this hole? We made it! Malik loves balloons. How could you fill both of these holes? Do we need to take out any shapes? Great problem solving! fill one hole at a time. Yahoo! Thanks for helping us get across the road. These holes are the same. Could you use different shapes to fill each hole? You filled all the holes. Wow, look at all these decorations. Malik's going to love them. Who should we decorate for next? My friend Jinjin. Here are some of his favorite things. Guitars, bubbles, flags. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Guitars. How could we solve the big problem of filling these two holes? Oh yeah, you solved the problem! Jinjin loves guitars. Break down this big problem. Start by filling one hole at a time. Yay! You used the shapes to help us ride across. Snout thinks there are lots of different ways we could fill these holes. Try filling one hole at a time. We made it! Another big problem. How can we fill these two holes? Yahoo! Thanks for helping us get across the road. Jinjin loves all these special decorations. Who should we decorate for next? My friend Ellie. Here are some of her favorite things. Fire trucks, waffle stickers, streamers. What should we use to decorate the neighborhood? Streamers. Ooh, more triangles. Let's use these shapes to fill these holes. Yes, we made it all the way across the road. loves streamers. Which hole would you like to fill first? Woohoo! You solved a really big problem. What do you think we can do to solve this big problem and fill these holes? Let's work it out. You filled all the holes. Wow, we're almost done. Can we solve this big problem one hole at a time? Hooray! You worked it out! Awesome decorations! Ellie adores them! We made the neighborhood look extra special, and everyone's so happy! Tap this button if you want to decorate the neighborhood a whole new way!